In this support video, we will be installing the radiant heat element for the below models. Always best to disconnect your unit before you begin. Access the back of your range and remove the screws holding the back panel. Remove the top decorative grille. Remove the back panel. By standing in front of the range, pull the glass cooktop towards you and pull upwards to remove. The cooktop switch is located at the front of the unit. Pull out the cooking knob and remove the two holding screws that is holding the cooktop switch. Pull out the cooktop switch. With your new cooktop switch, place it side by side with the old switch and unplug each wire one by one and connect it to the new switch. Place back the cooktop switch and align it with the unit. Screw back the bezel ring that will fasten to the cooktop switch. The cooktop fastens around the bracket. Carefully place back the cooktop and snap back into the frame bracket. Place back the back panel. Place back the top decorative grille. Screw back the back panel. This completes the installation.